Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about a bird that you might always see on the ground. The grey francolin. The grey francolin, also known as the Manu Moa or chicken bird, is a species of francolin. This species was formerly also called the grey partridge, not to be confused with the European grey partridge. It is found in plains and drier parts of the Indian subcontinent and Iran. A small game bird with an orangish face and fine barring throughout. Males and females are similar. They are mainly ground-living birds and found in the open cultivated lands as well as shrub forests. Their local name, Teetar, is based on their calls, a loud and repeated katitar, teetar, which is produced by one or more birds. Their calls are like during the breeding season, calling males attract challengers, and decoys were used to trap these birds, especially for fighting. Locally named Alu Watu Kukula. I have not seen the grey francolin. As shown in the map before, you are likely to find them in the northern peninsula of Sri Lanka. The easiest way to get to Jaffna is by train. What's shown in this picture here is the complete railway network of Sri Lanka. As featured in BBC, Sri Lanka has some of the most beautiful railway journeys of Asia, especially the train from Colombo to Badulla through Kandy and Alla.